In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your website in GoDaddy. If you need to roll your website back to an earlier version, GoDaddy makes the process pretty simple once you know where to look. This can be really helpful if you've made changes you don't want to keep, if something on the site stopped working, or if you simply want to restore a previous version of your website. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're logged in, go to your profile area. This is where you can access the main account options and manage the products connected to your account. From your profile, click on My Products. This section shows everything you currently have inside GoDaddy, including your websites and other services. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct website, especially if you manage more than one. Next, find the website you want to reset and select it. After that, click Edit Website. This will open the website editor, where you can manage the design, content, and settings for that specific site. Once you're inside the editor, look for Settings and click on it. The Settings area includes several important tools for managing your website, and this is where you'll find the option you need for restoring an earlier version. From Settings, click Site History. This is the section that stores previous versions of your website. In other words, it lets you go back in time and recover an earlier state of the site if needed. This is especially useful if recent edits caused problems or if you accidentally removed content. Here is where you can reset your website. Simply click the Restore option next to the version you want to bring back. Before you confirm, make sure you've chosen the correct version, since restoring a previous version may replace newer edits you made after that point. A good tip is to quickly review the available history entries before selecting one, so you can choose the version that best matches what you want to recover. This helps you avoid restoring a version that's too old or missing important updates. And that's it. Once the restore is complete, your website will return to that selected version. It's a straightforward process, and knowing where the Site History tool is can save you a lot of time if you ever need to undo changes. Thanks for watching, and that's how to reset your website in GoDaddy.